Happy birthday, my sweet boy.
Make a wish, champ.
The cake is so pretty.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. This is the best birthday ever.
We're so glad, little one. Your happiness makes this perfect.
Yeah, blow out the candles.
What a wonderful cake.
Yes, time to make a wish.
Yay, I wish for fun.
All right, ready? Happy birthday, son.
Thank you, Dad.
We love you so much.
Yay, birthday. Wow, a cake just for me.
Happy birthday, sweetie.
Make a wish, son.
Blow them out.
Happy birthday, sweetheart.
Wow, it's so pretty.
Go on, make a wish.
Yeah, blow them out.
Happy birthday, my dear.
Wow, it's so pretty.
Go on, make a wish.
Happy birthday, my dear. Wow, the cake looks so pretty.
Make a wish, kiddo.
Best birthday ever.
We're so glad, sweetie.
Happy birthday, champ.
Our little one is growing up.
Wow, big brother, you're amazing.
Thanks, sis. I'm glad.
We're so proud of you both.
Yay! This is the best birthday.
Happy birthday, son. We love you so much.
Best brother ever. Happy birthday. Wow, it's beautiful. We love you.
Make a wish, son. Happy birthday, my dear. May all your wishes come true.
Happy birthday to you.
This cake looks wonderful.
It really does.
Yay, cake.
Let's enjoy it together.
Yay, birthday day.
Happy birthday, sweetie.
Wow, it's so pretty.
We're so proud of you, son.
You look so happy, dear.
Best brother ever.
Thanks, everyone.
Wow, the cake looks amazing.
It does. Let's cut it. Happy birthday.
I want the biggest piece. Wow, my birthday cake.
Happy birthday, son.
We love you.
Blow the candles.
It looks perfect.
So beautiful. You did a great job.
Wow, I can't wait to try it.
Ready, sweetie? Time to sing.
Yes. Close your eyes and make a wish.
Happy.
Happy birthday to us.
Make a wish, everyone.
Together now.
This is the best party ever. Yeah, I'm so happy.
We're so proud of you both.
Our sweethearts.
Happy birthday, son.
Thank you, Dad.
What a lovely party.
Best party ever. Wow, it's beautiful.
Happy birthday, champ.
We love you so much.
Blow the candles.
Happy birthday, sweetie.
Wow, it's so pretty.
Ready to blow them out?
Wow, my cake.
Happy birthday, sweetie. Make a wish, champ.
Yay, I will. Wow, it's so pretty.
Happy birthday, champ.
We love you so much.
Yay, let's blow the candles.
Happy birthday, my dear.
Thank you, Mom.
Wow, it looks so yummy.
There we go. Perfect fit.
Thank you, Mom.
You look great, champ.
The cake looks so yummy. This is the best birthday.
We're so glad, sweetie.
Let's light the candles.
Wow, it's my birthday.
Happy birthday, sweetie.
We're so proud of you.
Yay!
This cake looks amazing.
It's so pretty.
Our beautiful family.
Happy birthday, son.
Wow, thank you.
Make a wish, sweetie.
I can't wait to eat it.
I wish for lots of adventures.
What a wonderful wish, dear.
We're so proud of you.
Me too.
Ready to sing, birthday boy?
Yes, I'm so excited.
All right, let's begin.
You did it! I'm so proud of you! Thanks! I knew I could.
That's our boy.
Wonderful job, both of you.
This is the best birthday ever!
We're so proud of you, son.
Let's blow out the candles!
Happy birthday, my dear. We're so proud.
Look at you, all grown up.
Wow! Thank you! It's so pretty! Yay, my birthday! Happy birthday, little brother!
That's the spirit, champ.
So sweet!
Happy birthday, my dear.
Wow, it's so pretty!
Let's make a wish.
Ready, everyone? In the glow of family, hearts sing as one.
Closer we lean, our joy has become so bright, filled with love's light.
What's so funny?
He's just being silly.
And we love it.
I'm so happy we're together. Me too, sister!
You two are so sweet.
We're proud of you.